guys, welcome back. Today we are just climbing the Daytona 6-7R. It's a very wonderful bike, you know. It's one of the lightweight 600 class bike, but it's not 600 basically, it's 675R. So it gets the all-in suspension, all-in rear suspension, little bit carbon parts here, there, and carbon mudguard. And the bike feels so much lighter, man. You can lift this bike so easily. I love it, I love it. And the power delivery is not as bad as you think. For 600, if you ride R6, what do you call it, the power range is above 8,000, and this bike I feel the power range kicks on after 6,000. That is crazy. Like, feels so goddamn light. And I rode R6 before this one. Holy crap, man. It's RSV4 for the 600 bike, I can say. I love my RSV4, but holy crap, the weight of this bike is crazy. It's next level. I never thought that I would say that, but man, bike is so much lighter and prettier. You can change the directions so easily that holy shit. And even right now we live in desert area, so it gets very warm, and now we are around 40-45 degrees, but still the bike temperature never goes very crazy. It doesn't give me the heat from the down what I feel from my 1000cc bike. The 1000cc bike, they will cook you in the summer, but this bike, holy crap, it's much better in summer. This one more corner is coming up, so let's take it the corner and enjoy a little bit. Come on, man, why you are driving fast? This bike feels so goddamn light. And when the push shifter, the standard push shifter is fucking amazing. Smooth up the bike so much. See, even I'm doing cornering in one-handed, bike just goes as a flow, man. It's such an amazing bike with the good tires and everything. Holy crap. And even the braking is not bad. It gets the Brembo monoblock, I think, front, and some, I don't know, some Chinese brand or something for the rear one. Only thing is missing is push shift auto blipper, man. See right here. Holy crap, man, stops like anything. I love it, I love it. And even if this bike comes with all the steel brake lines and rear steel brake lines, so you don't need to do anything. It's completely track ready. Even the fender is carbon fiber for this bike. Holy crap, man, I love it. Just it needs a exhaust and aftermarket windscreen, and this bike is perfect. It's good to go, you know. And let's do the test for the turning radius. I think this bike will turn much easier than the 1000. Easy peasy. The push shifter is not bad. The standard push shifter is not bad at all. The most interesting thing is the bike doesn't overheat. For me, that's a big plus point, especially we live in desert areas. So that's the main issue for us. That's all thing. This bike goes like a feather. He wants to go more and more and more and more and more. The more you give it, the more you will want to go. That's the first point. That's the very first point for me. And the loop, I really like the bike loop. So if anyone wants the 600, go for Daytona. Don't go for R6. R6 is a very nice bike. Don't give me a wrong. And even Kawasaki 636 is not bad. But the 600 67R has a little bit more power than 600 R6, of course, because it is 75cc more compared to the R6, and a little bit more punchier. And the all-in suspension is the big difference, you know. You get a lot of things with the bike. Quick shifter, all-in suspension, all-in rear suspension, rainbow, 3 brake line. It's a full track bike. You know, carbon fiber parts, they have carbon fiber mat guard, carbon fiber this cover, carbon fiber rear mat guard. So a lot of carbon fiber on this bike with the company. So it's not bad. Here you can see, listen to the whistling noise. Small video. If you like it, guys, hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out, take care, and ride safe, guys. Peace.